Hello viewers, today I am going to introduce you an Excel table in which we are going to use buttons. This button is called spin button. It could go gradual up or gradual down. This is very beneficial table, and also educational institutions can also keep their record of the student on the same pattern. We can use the spin button as well as we can use manual data in case if a huge number is required to be fed in some column. So without wasting time, let's go to the screen. Now in front of you table, this is name of item and total number available along with sale units or the units sold is this column. Next is unit price of each item, again total amount of sale and remaining item or number of remaining items. So in case if something is going to about short, so we may also bring it. So let's check the table. Yes, the table is of course automatic and we will remove and use again. Now let's go to developer, go to insert, select spin button and paste it or bring it to the column under the name of button. Yes, it's done. Now press Ctrl D and create a duplicate of it, or you can also simply press Ctrl from your keyboard and drag from your mouse. It's done. Right click on the button, format control, and now cell link. Click in the cell link and under cell where 2 is mentioned, this cell we need to specify. Click on OK. Now you can see that it's gradually increasing. Now let me do some more to calculate the sale. So unit price into the number of items sold. Press enter. Now remaining. So again press is equal to total items minus total number of items sale or sold under sale column. Now the table is automatic. Let's select these two and drag it down till end, so the entire columns will automatically do its calculation. Select the below two cells, go to home, select auto sum, and now we have two figures of all grand total. Remove this and now let's check our program works or not. So let me feed the coding on the same way in the remaining buttons. Now we have connected all the tables, so check it. Yes, of course, gradual increase, and it's each and every button is functional and increasing. Our entire table is working perfectly. This is manual feeding. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe my video.